Hi, it's Wendy. We're gonna make a straw rocket. Just show you the simple craft that's really fun to have. So I'm gonna turn my camera down. Here we go. You'll need 2 different size straws, one bigger, one smaller. The smaller diameter one is also one of those bendy straws, which is important for how we shoot off the rocket. The larger one is what we're going to make the rocket from. So to start, you take the top end, maybe not even an inch down, bend over, squeeze together, and tape tight so that it seals off that top. So there we go. And then we'll take a piece of construction paper and make a couple triangles for the top. And we're just doing a simple design, so we'll make a small triangle, like a small mountain would be, and cut that out. I folded it in half, so when I cut it out, I have 2 identical triangles, which is great for the top. And I'm going to glue inside both of these, one side, all over. I have, very sticky glue here, but there we go. There's one, and here comes the other. There we go. So on the top of this rocket, we'll put one triangle, and then on the other side put the other, and where they come together, just squeeze the points. And we've made a top of our rocket. There we go. Now for the bottom, we'll just do a little bit bigger one. And do the same thing again. So I'll cut out the 2 identical triangles, and those will go on the bottom, and we'll glue the whole triangle. That way when it comes together, not only does it glue onto the straw, but it glues onto each other, so it stays in place pretty good. So, and then this corner, here we go. So we'll glue this on one side. You could do 3 and make a bottom like this. It's a little harder to glue, but just pinching. But I think for young children, we kept it 1 on each side. Bring it right down to the bottom of the straw, not past it though, and then pinch them together. And you'll see how that's made that one. So we have 1 on each end, sort of like an arrow. And then what you do is you just place it down onto the bendy straw. Hold the bendy straw. Don't hold on to this part because you don't want it to hold it from shooting. And then hold it up and blow really quick and hard. And your rocket flies. So I hope you enjoyed that. It's a really quick craft. Pretty easy to do. Have fun, guys. Bye.